Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, how do you properly calculate square feet? In many pest control applications, you'll want to know how big of an area you're treating because this will tell you exactly how much product you're going to need to use. You'll need at least a measuring tape to get the lengths of straight edges. If your treatment area has significant curved edges, then you'll need a measuring wheel. Note down the lengths and prepare to calculate your square footage. So if you're lucky, and your lawn can be simplified into the shape of a rectangle, then simply measure the area's length and width in feet and then multiply them together. What if you're treating an irregularly shaped area? Most yards won't be rectangular in shape, and they'll also have obstructions like tree mounds or landscape beds. For this, try to break down the treatment area into smaller shapes, ideally rectangles to keep the math simple. Get the area of each shape and then add them together. If you have landscape beds in the middle of your yard, then find the bed's square footage and subtract from your yard's total. Once you have found your square footage, then you'll be able to start applying like a pro. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. So if you're lucky and your yard's a square, which it's not, and you won't be that lucky, you'll need to use multiple math.